Hi, Amanda here from Beyond the Board, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code to go on advertising material or on your website that people can then use with their phone and a QR reader to basically scan and be taken to a website, or even be directed to a phone number or launch an email, so they can get in touch with you or visit the website that they're wanting to get more information from. So for this example, I am going to create a QR code for a client's postcard, and the idea is that this is a postcard that people will be able to see, and it's for Art and Tea. And I'm going to put a QR code here so people can use their phone and they can pick up the card, they can scan it, and then it will take them to the website where they can make a reservation. So I'm first of all going to open up the website that I want people to be directed to. So this is the website here, or I might just choose this website. So you've got to pick which is going to be the easiest website for them to visit. That makes it really clear on what they need to do next to be able to get the great offer or deal that you're putting in front of them. So what you need to do is get the website and then copy the URL. You then need to go to a QR code generator. So this is the hyphen QR code, CODE, hyphen generator.com. But if you Google free QR code generator, there's a whole range of different options available. If you're going to do this for a lot of different products, or you're going to have a lot of them within your business, there are tools that you can use and you can pay for where you can create whole libraries and manage different QR codes. But this is a super easy way to do what I want to do today. So I've gone to the QR code generator.com, and all I need to do is literally enter my email address, and what you'll see is the static QR code has changed. So if I delete that and then put it in, you'll see it's a bit more pixelated and funny looking, and basically what it's done is it's taken that URL and it's put it in code, so when it gets scanned, people will be directed to my website that I want them to go to. So once I've done that, all I need to do is push save, and I'm going to call it Universo Art and Tea, and then you can save it as one of these file formats. I'm going to choose PNG because what that means is it's first of all a picture format, and it's able to be supported by lots of different programs. It has a transparent background generally, and it also means that the file won't get distorted. So when we take photos, they're generally a JPEG format, and JPEG, like on websites and on Facebook, can be altered and stretched and can get a bit distorted, and you don't want that to happen with your static QR code, which is why it gives you these formats. So PNG is a great format to use regardless of whether it's a QR code or a bit of art, because it won't get distorted or it won't get changed when you're using it in other programs. There's also SVG and EPS, which are compatible with different programs. If you're a graphic designer, you'll know which one to choose. But for all of us non-graphic designers, just stick with PNG. And once you've done that, you click save, and that will download. I'm then going into Canva where I've got my design here, and all I need to do is upload it, and you'll see it is uploaded here, and then I can just resize it and put it just here. And that way, when I go to get these printed, I can then basically give them out to people, and they can use their phone if they're familiar with QR codes, and they can scan it, and they will be redirected to the Universo website, which will then give them the ability to book their art and tea or to get in contact. I could have gone one step further and used the booking site, but I've decided to use the Universo site just because it's a bit more pretty, and it gives people a real feel for the business. So that is how you can create a QR code. Just to recap, what you want to do is you want to have the website open that you want to direct people to. You then want to either use a code generator like this one, which is the hyphen QR code hyphen generator.com, or you want to Google free QR code generator. However, just remember, if you're going to be using multiple codes within your business, you are better possibly using a paid service, so you can actually manage the QR codes, and you can quickly and easily change them, manage them, and there's a lot of other things that you can do as well. Once you've done that, you want to put your URL in, click save, give it a file name, and then download it as PNG, which will then give you the ability to upload it to the graphics program or even to an email signature. Lots of different ways that you can use this, and then it's there and ready to be scanned by your clients. So if you have any questions about this, please get in touch with us. If not, good luck. Have a great day.